Did you know the first computer bug wasn't just a metaphor? In 1947, while working on the Harvard Mark II computer, engineers found a literal moth trapped in a relay, causing the system to malfunction. They taped the moth into their logbook and labeled it the first actual case of bug being found. This quirky moment gave rise to the term debugging, which we still use today. So next time you're squashing software bugs, remember, you're carrying on a tradition that started with an actual insect over 75 years ago. Now that's some buggy history.